Hello everybody! Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I have a really super cute project to share with you today, and it's these little gift tags. And these are perfect for the holidays which are coming up. And these actually open so you can write a little message. And I did one in silver and then I did the one in the gold. And you can do like 3 and 3 or just all gold or all silver. And then you can pop it in these really cute little Santa bags. Now, when I first got the catalog, I missed these. So on my second order, I bought them. And I love them because you can stamp on them as well. And these are really cool. You get 8 in a package. But I'm going to show you quickly how to do these little tags. Now, I will have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, everything will be there. I'm going to pull in my big shots. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this piece is cut at 3 3/4 by 6 1/4. And I'm just going to fold this in half. I've got my stitch shaped circle, and I am going to now run this through my big shot. And I'm going to leave this like so, because I don't want that piece cut. So you're going to place that in your big shot. Crank it through. I always like to do twice, just that way I know it went through. Okay, so now I'm going to stamp. This one says, "May your Christmas be." I'm going to pop these up with some dimensionals. I have minis and I have the large ones. But I'm going to use the large for this. And I'm now going to attach that to my circle. Boom, like so. I'm now going to come in with the bulbs, and I have Cherry Cobbler, Daffodil Delight, and Shaded Spruce. And I'm going to stamp Mary. When you do your next stamp, you don't want to stamp it too close because the punch leaves a little border around it. So you just want to make sure you give yourself enough room between images. You're going to line it up in your punch. And you're going to punch them all out. I have multi-purpose liquid glue, and I'm just going to do a little dollop on the top. I have some of this scrap glimmer paper, and I'm just going to punch out a notch. Now you're going to do that with all the colors. You're going to punch, and you're going to punch out 3 of those. I have this awesome Pick Me Up tool, and I'm going to use that to place that little top piece onto my bulb. And I went ahead and I did all 3 of them to save some time. Also, this top pieces needed a few minutes to dry. And then you are going to pop it up with dimensionals. When you put these down, you want to make sure you're reading the words properly. You don't want to put bright and merry or and bright Mary. So you just want to make sure your wording is correct. Merry and bright. I have a 1/8 handheld punch. I'm just going to punch, making sure I'm centered. A little punch at the top. I have 1/8 inch ribbon. This is gold 1/8 inch ribbon. Now I know I've taken too much, but rather too much than too little. You're going to feed that through. Like so. Then you're going to tie yourself a knot. Like so. Cut away the excess. And that's going to be your little tag. Super cool. Okay, on to these Santa bags. Again, 8 in a package. I have one over here. And you're going to decide which way you want your string to tie and knot. And I'm just coming in with my ink, my regular ink, Memento. And I'm going to stamp, May Your Christmas Be. Let's see. May your Christmas be merry. And right, I got that little bulb. Stamp the bulb, and then I'm going to come in with that little string thing. Super cute. So there you have it, you guys. A nice, easy way to give somebody a little gift. You can add some chocolates in your bag as well. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of these products I used, I will have them linked in the description below. If you click on it, it will take you right to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over to my website. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.